Welcome to the Rogers Rolling Racetrack. This is our back to school marble race, and we're coming to you live from beautiful Carrollton, Texas. We've got 15 teams competing in 3 regions, and today we're going to be showing you Region 1 featuring the teams from the Justice League, the Lion Guard, Rainbow Rollers, Gryffindor, and the Herbologists. These are some returning teams from past races and some new ones. Who are your favorites? Starting us off in Region 1, Round 1, we have Superman, Kion, Naranja, Ron, and Nightshade. Now for an instant replay. On your mark, get set, go. The racers race down the pencil path around the curve. Narahan takes an early lead. We've got Ron Weasley and Superman bouncing back. Kion following Narahan down the Plinko plunge. Nightshade advances, but it looks like it's Naraha who pulls ahead to win the first race. He's followed by Nightshade, Kion, Superman, and then finally, trailing behind, is Ron Weasley. Congratulations to Naraha. On to round 2. We've got Green Lantern representing Justice League, Bunga from Lion Guard, Amarillo from Rainbow Rollers, Harry from Gryffindor, and Oleander from the Herbologist. Harry Potter takes an early lead around that first bend. They're racing through those push-pin perils, and Bunga trailing behind. As they enter a racer alley, Bunga's gaining on Harry. Bunga pulls ahead. Unbelievable! We finish with Bunga in first place, Harry second, Green Lantern, Oleander, and then Amarillo. For round 3, we've got Wonder Woman representing Justice League, Fooly with the Lion Guard, Azure with Rainbow Rollers, Ginny with Gryffindor, and Hemlock with the Herbologist. We see David there giving us our countdown, 3, 2, 1. And out of the gate, we see Ginny Weasley and Fooly just neck and neck. Fooly gets bounced back, and Hemlock and Wonder Woman pull ahead. Wonder Woman now maintains her lead through a racer alley, followed closely by Hemlock. At the finish, it's Wonder Woman followed by Hemlock, Fooly, Azure, and finally Ginny Weasley. Now for round 4, we've got Aquaman representing the Justice League, Vashti from Lion Guard, Rojo from Rainbow Rollers, Hermione from Gryffindor, and Foxglove with the Herbologists. David counts us down for round 4. And, those racers are closely grouped down the pencil path. Foxglove takes the lead, followed by Rojo. Now Rojo pulls ahead down a racer alley, followed by Hermione. Hermione close. But she hesitates there at the end. So it's Rojo in first place, followed by Foxglove, Vashti, Aquaman, and finally Hermione. For round 5, we see the Flash with Justice League, Lion Guard's Ono, Rainbow Rollers Verde, Gryffindor's Fred, and the Herbologist Sumac. we have a quick race down the pencil path, and it's anybody's race after the push-pin perils. It looks like Fred Weasley and Sumac were neck and neck, but now Fred's raced ahead. The other racers are stuck there on that third turn. Fred extends his lead. He's followed by Verde, and then along come Aquaman, Sumac, and Ono, picking up the rear. All right, congratulations to Fred Weasley there with Gryffindor. Finally, one of the Weasleys has won a race. This is our sixth and final qualifying race. After this, we'll have two semifinal races and then the finale. We're featuring Batman with Justice League, Anga with the Lion Guard, Dos from Rainbow Rollers, George from the Gryffindor team, and Larkspur with the Herbologist. David counts us in, and it's Fred Weasley taking the lead, inspired by his brother Fred. He whizzes through those push-pin perils, followed closely by Larkspur. They're neck and neck around the curve, and Larkspur jumps in front. She takes a straight shot around a racer alley and around that last bend. At the finish, it's Larkspur, followed by George Weasley and Batman, with then Dos and Anga bringing up the rear. Congratulations to Larkspur. She's our sixth semifinalist and will be representing here in the semifinal rounds. But right now we're going to be doing round one from our racers from the first three races. So we have Naranja, Bunga, and Wonder Woman. We're here with our first semifinal race, and we see Bunga, Naranja, and Wonder Woman quick from the start, racing around the push-pin perils. Bunga sees some bounce back, but he pulls ahead down the stretch. It looks like Bunga is our semifinal round one finalist. Congratulations, Bunga. And now for round two of our semifinals, we have Rojo, Fred Weasley, and Larkspur. Our second semifinal race sees Rojo and Fred Weasley and Larkspur flying down that pencil path around the push-pin perils. It looks like out of the turn here, it's Fred Weasley in the lead. But, Larkspur and Rojo collide. After a bad bounce, it looks like Larkspur pulls ahead, and it's Larkspur for the win. It's time for our Region 1 finale. We see Bunga from the Lion Guard facing off against Larkspur from the Herbologists. Good luck, racers. Now for our finale. We see Bunga and Larkspur neck and neck out of the gate. Larkspur pulls slightly ahead after the first turn. Bunga bounces off pushpin peril and Larkspur pulls ahead. Bunga's catching up, but as they advance down a racer alley, Larkspur pulls ahead and Bunga just can't overcome her lead. Larkspur is our Region 1 champion. Congratulations, Larkspur and the Herbologists. Great work.